Welcome. Today, you will learn how to use a fire extinguisher and put out the fire. Charles is an expert and is available to answer any questions you may have about fire safety. Grab the safety pin to unlock the extinguisher. Nice work. Grab the spray nozzle. Great job. Grab the operating lever located on top of the fire extinguisher to pick it up. A Class A fire has been created for practice. Now aim the spray nozzle at the base of the fire. Use the operating lever of the fire extinguisher to spray the extinguishing foam. This fire needs at least 3 seconds to be put out. Remember, aim your spray at the base of the fire and do a regular sweeping motion back and forth. Great job, you have put out the fire and learned how to use a fire extinguisher. This has been an example of a foam spray fire extinguisher. Fires are classified into 5 types with the labels A through F, and you may need to utilize a specific type of extinguisher to safely manage an outbreak. For a quick reference, here is an image outlining the classification of fires and which extinguisher is appropriate for managing it. This has been an example of a fire extinguisher simulation. Feel free to go through the experience again or go back to the home page and try a different experience.
What is fire science?
Fire science is the study of all aspects of fire, from fire behavior to fire investigation. It often includes disciplines such as fire protection engineering, firefighting, wildfire management, and fire safety. It's used to effectively prevent, manage, and extinguish fires.